Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. Very special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. I'm shooting these videos on Sunday, guys. I wish you happy Sunday. Thank you so much for welcome to my channel and clicking my videos to get new videos ever. And today it's on Sunday, so it's around 8:44 a.m. That's my local time. And at the same time, I want to take my strong breakfast. Man, I hit outside to look maybe for the content and to let you to know what's going on. At the same time, that's my baby over there. Maybe this full week, it could be maybe relaxing there. No gas. Anyway,
in Africa, no.
Maybe I could take you outside and then I came to take my breakfast. But first, this is my strong breakfast here. We have chapati, I have black coffee. Man, I'm telling you, I have the cup here. So that is it. I feel so good. I feel so good, man. If you're coming to my channel for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Lot 6K subscriber. For me, no more hide. This is where I'm coming from. I'm telling you, this is where I'm coming from. This is my house, and I'm staying here with my brother. So this is my room for my brother. That's my room, and this is where I'm taking my meal. Wow. So outside there, you can see the small laundry. My mom, they try to wash clothes in the morning and hanging there. You can see over there. Wow. Anyway, let me take you outside and then I come to take my breakfast. Man, you show me some love. Brother and sister, mother and father, you show me some love and continue with that spirit by watching my videos. Don't skip ads. You know, that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. Alright, so let me close the door because there is a strong breakfast inside here. wow. And after taking my breakfast, I will visit one of my friend. You know, when I'm going outside, when I look this place, man, when I look this place here, I can't imagine. So I'm outside like this, and today's videos, I'm going to visit one of my brother from another mother. Although there is some rumors that are going, but we don't care. We just flow with the vibe. We just flow with positive vibe anytime. Wow. You had the cook? It's all morning over here. Wow. Look how my mom working so hard. They make sure that the cow have the napier grass and all stuff. Wow. Let's see. Imagine, that's my dad's home, that's my grandma home, and we have my grandma home over there. Well, let's go. Wow. So that being said, that next year, by God's grace, I will build my mom's dream house, and that's my starting point, you know. So even I can't remember which day I bought these stones here and the balance stones. Man, try to imagine this one tipper or one lorry, and I'm trying to maybe I want to put more material as I can. And guys, please, if you can support on that, just do so. And for me, I can do a part where I can do. When I get maybe some small amount of money, I put there. And don't forget, I'm taking care of my family, man. So I have a lot of things to do, but I'm using my brain wisely. To make sure that at this point I put this, at this point I put this. So I'm working both of right, left, center to make sure my family have something on table, to make sure this will be happen. But anyway, right now I think from next year because we have 1 month ahead. From next year, it's the time of purchasing material like crazy, you know. When I get maybe $50, I put one tipper for the stones or one rolly, $50. Let me say when I get like $300, we'll see stones coming. But anyway, today's videos, after this, I'm going to visit my friend. Wow. And it's my brother from another mother. Wow. Let me check my brother's maze. And if my brother maybe could watch these videos, he will see how the maze is doing, man. Wow. This is where I'm born and raised. This is where I'm born and raised, guys. On this beautiful village. Everywhere we see it's green, man. I'm telling you. Look. Wow. So I'm coming to check my brother's maze over here. And it's cold. Look. So they are doing good. And I think maybe by next year on February, he will harvest this maize. You know? Wow. So let's go. Hey. Try to imagine. Wow. So let me take you back. I want to have my strong breakfast and then I move on. And yesterday I saw my brother done some transformation. Wow, the balance stones. And for me, I will add maybe one tramper for this one maybe by next year, guys. So if you can support maybe in terms of stones, you just support where you can, and you can see how I can push myself, you know. Wow. So let's go. That's my beautiful home. My beautiful home where I was born and raised, man. I'm telling you. Let me check the cow here. Over here. And they're relaxing, and we have a lot of food here. So this stuff is from banana trees. All banana stuff. This one that you see. The cow is relaxing here. Hey. Sunday vibe with animal. Wow. Oh, this is my dad's home, and no matter when my dad is not alive, I will make sure I will change the family by God's grace, you know. That one there. And I said, my father, wherever you are, my soul rest in peace, you know. So I'm just simple like that. I will change this family slowly. No pressure. I don't know why people start blaming me, putting some rumors on me. Hey, guys, I'm telling you, Sunday vibe. Before my sister left, you know. So they are going to church. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, this Sunday vibe. Unaenda kanisani? Sasa ufunge hapa. I'm telling him to button the jacket. Yes, afu jipake mafuta vizuri. Jesus Christ. I'm telling you this Sunday vibe. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, this is my mom. Wow. Imagine most of the time, man, I'm just around with my mom. Jipake mafuta kuja kwa masikio. Motivate. And then you make a collar. Okay, guys, they're going to church. Wow. And then even you turn. Wow. Goodbye. They're going to church. Bye. Anyway, guys, Let me wash my hand and then I take my breakfast. Boom. Oh. I think even this one. Wow. What am I know? Wow. Guys. Welcome to my house. Oh, let me turn this bed sheet like this. Wow. Wow. Guys, through you, by watching my videos, by supporting me, I'm telling you, I put a strong breakfast on the table. And that's why I was saying this several times. I work so hard to make sure that my family puts something on table. And right now, this is the action. This is the action. Man, I'm telling you, this is the action. Wow. Okay, first let me put the black cafe inside here. Hey, this black cafe. I'm telling you, man, this is the action. Imagine. Look how Hero Baby taking chapati. I'm telling you. And if you remember yesterday, I was taking a rice here. Today is chapati. Maybe tomorrow. You know, at least nowadays, guys, through your support by watching my videos and you support me in the other way, my family right now, they're enjoying a special meal like this one here. Imagine. Wow. So before I take this food, God bless this food. Before I take it, in Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Guys, welcome. Guys, 10 over 10. My mom cooked good chapati. And she know how to cook a good chapati. And I give my mom 10 over 10, you know. So anyway, guys, after watching these videos, around at my home, I'm heading to my brother from another mother. Although I was coming with him here maybe some one day, and then today I'm trying to go to visit him, and I don't want to mention him his name here. Like yesterday he was painting with a pink, but I'm giving you a hint. Yesterday he was painting their house with a pink, and one of our fans asked me, "Hey, morning." One of our fans asked me, "Hello, baby, when did you paint pink?" And for me, I can paint, but I'm so comfortable with this color here, cream match with the ceiling board. You can see, wow. So, guys, we shall meet you when I'm finishing maybe my breakfast here. Hey, wow, guys, I feel so happy, and I wish you a blessed Sunday like this. May God bless you if you came from church, and maybe you will get this video anytime, but right, left, center. Oh, early morning here, that's the blessing. So right, left, center, I want to make sure that I make a good video, positive vibe, and then maybe you get me around night time, guys. So we shall meet on the next video, which is coming on today's videos. Guys, stay tuned. Anyway, guys, right now I'm outside and I finished taking breakfast. So that being said, I'm going to visit my brother, and maybe to say congratulations for what was done. At the same time, hey, we have campus tour series. I'm just reading here. Look, campus tour series. That's my brother. So he went to church. Woo! We pass inside here like that. Wow. Hey. He walked like a bouncer. Look. Ah. Wow, wow, wow. So that is it, and we say thank you so much to have a good family of 4 children. You know, my mom was being blessed with 4 children, but 3 boys, 1 girl, 3 gentlemen, 3 gentlemen, 1 lady, and that's the blessing and plan from God. So guys, anyway, let's go. Wow. Woo. I'm telling you, today's a Sunday vibe. See, there's our 3rd born Brad walking like that, walking majestically. Oh. So maybe this week I'll make a lot of exercise by walking. Like yesterday, today. Wow. Okay, so stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. Oh guys, so let's go. Keep going. So this is the A and B where people rental. Wow. Whew. Let's go. I'm telling you, people are working here. See. Well, we have one of our national schools here, known as Motorbike. You see this structure here, going the other side, and it's a big school. So it's named after the late President Daniel Ramp Moi. So maybe when I reach there, I will show you the full name. Wow, you see that one? So we're so blessed. We have one of our national schools here. This one. Let me show you. I'll turn the camera. Wow. Maybe you see that one there. So just over here. This one. Yes. The one there. My brother from the far end. So I'm calling him. Nilikuwa naenda kwenu njoo. Aye. Well, so he went maybe to take something there. So let me check. Wow. So I'm hitting this area here. See. So he told me, you just go, I'm coming. So I'm waiting him some few minutes and then we'll boom. Wow. Maybe at least have some sweet talk, man. Oh, over here. Oh guys, so I visited my brother on the workshop here. Say hello. Bouncer. The owner of this shop here. Hey, hey. Oh. Kiramonta chunge sesi. Wow guys. Hey. Lakini onege kimura. Oh guys, there's some work going inside here. So that being said, I was visiting my brother over here. You see? Look. Hey, here they put some glass window. Stand about to make this even. Wow. And I'm within at Nyabohanse, guys. We're just over here. And the union's construction is over there. Oh no, Monto, hi, piggy. Wow. So I was visiting him there. So let me check this place. So it's reminding me during construction. And right now, guys, I'm just over here. Sunday vibe. Tianichem. Hi. Wow. So I will take you inside there, and in other way, guys, see how God changed people's life. Like currently home for Chef Matiko, we're just over here, and God is good all the time, and he migrates to other side. He bought the land, he built a nice house, you know. So when God say yes, nobody can say no. That is it, and I mastered that, guys. So maybe today you will never get maybe full length of the video. Wow, we have avocado trees here. Oh, there's some goat here. Look. They're chewing like crazy. Wow. So everything's nice. Man, this perimeter from this side where you see the goat up this place, it reminds me. It's remind me, man. Hey! Today we have the team going, I think Arsenal and Manchester. So they went for the football game. Iga? Kau nak nongko tema manyanki kan orang kan yang konde pakai. Iya. Sekonta buya. Sekonta buya. Arsenal kucheza.
Ni kuma humu bia.
Ndio bado swali jezi.
I'm Arsenal.
Romo kongonta. Arsenal na Man. Ronta buya. Arsenal na Man na Chelsea. Saa ngapi gol?
Tabu yako ino mukali ore.
Negando hapa buraya ni. Wow guys. Wow, this is Nyabohanse village right now, and I'm just over with my friend who I pay visitor. So he take me to border town, and then we come back. Wow, super amazing. I'm telling you. Na utawahi kula chochote. You see, guy? Serious. Wow. Yes. Right now, guys, we are heading to border town. I'm telling you. Maybe when I put this way. Okay. Now you're on another machine. Hey. People they sold avocados there. Kids are playing balls, man. I'm telling you. See that one? Wow, this is Sunday vibe. And guys, in case you missed these videos, all you need is watching the previous videos. And for those people that are asking why 100%, you see, for my friend here, they wear a nice helmet for protection, you know. They put another carabat for avoiding maybe the landscaping going the other side. You see, here one. Wow. We are heading to Motown right now. Like, if you come from the church, sit down, relax, have a cup of water and a glass of water, watch the video, take a break. Woo! Look. Anyway, maybe today, maybe like tomorrow morning. You see, guys, that's my brother. You know, hey. Wow, we almost were there. And motorbike are very cheap and afford, and it's easy to maintain. And when we came from the Bohans, even right now, guys, I'm on my motorbike, my friend motorbike. Yamira Express, that one there. Guys, how many motorbike pass when I'm heading to Motorbike? Many of them. Wow. And there's some road construction, maybe putting some those carabat sign and all stuff. You can see over here. Wow, look. Go. You see? So they are putting this stuff here. So when going other side, it's very, very deep. Look, very deep. They're locking. See then this stuff here. Means no end. take once. Sirabona temen. Yena bani akini sirabona mga. Kasi mbiti ko hata once. Wow. So guys, we made the issues in Motorbike. So right now, I'm heading back. This is the tarmac. So right now we use this shortcut going back home. And at the far end, guys, you have the dumping sites. Let me show you just a minute. You see over here? There's a dump site here, man. I'm telling you. This one, and it's smelling so bad. I wonder why those people are staying here. This dump site. Wow. We have the shop corner here. Imagine, guys. I'm on the motorbike, and this place is a lot of smell. I'm telling you. You see? Down there. Wow. A crazy situation. And imagine, guys, we have the government who are working in government places and they are seeing these things. Oh. I want to say, government of Kenya, wake up, just work. Whoa. Some few minutes, it's on a raining right now. That is it. Wow. Wow, guys, imagine I'm heading home right now. Right now. Woo. See a nice house over there. Look like a villa. Camera to my intern, right? Go bukagi boy. Hey, hey. Wow. Imagine. There is some motorbike parking here. Hey, good driver. Hey, hey. Let's see what is going on here. And anyway, guys, welcome to Brother Dagi's home right now. Here. That's what I want.
Yes, Hero baby, welcome guys.
Tango maranku yande numu mbure tefukum. Hey. Wali even to bono maru ningu chakole amahoro.
Welcome guys. I have got some today. Just you have come with blessings.
Yes. Man.
Welcome.
Ekemore.
Welcome, Hero baby, welcome.
Otonere. Pakura kuahari.
So we have get another visitors here at my home. So this is the Hero Baby official. Welcome Hero Baby at my home. Hero Baby, welcome. Yes, brother. How are you, bro?
I'm good.
How is your day, man?
Well.
Hey, you are looking smart. You are looking good.
Hey.
How are you, my brother?
I'm good.
You are good. Yes.
How is life, Hero Baby?
Life is
How
good.
life in the village?
Eh.
I have my brothers here. Jose the Mason, Dalmas the Lufa here.
Hoga Dalmas the Lufa.
Here.
The roofer.
Yes.
Oh, yeye ndo anapiga roofing.
Yes.
Yeye ndiye alipiga roof yangu.
Oh, anatoka Rongo.
Dalmas, when we finish to construct this
Nuko kwangu huko.
toilet, so you will come and
Oh, guys, there's some work that is going on here. We think soon. Mama mura hakora here. Oh no, Dagi.
project now we have launched here. Let me show Hero Baby.
Wana no musingi mwe sengu tunonga si abantu.
Ya ani sasa hano icho no tuandika tugeseti fa.
Ena kama tukore.
So Hero Baby, this the toilet that we need to start with this project.
Hata msingi atapeleka hadi huko mora. Kwa sababu atakuwa
start from here.
Hapo. Iwe na
Here. So this one it will start from here, Chacha. I think you understand.
Chacha mpaka usemu waona sehemu ya kusimama mrakipanga mawe. Na hicho wote. Na ibintu binombe barusimo.
So this is the main project. Hero Baby is here. Hero Baby already welcome at my home here in the village in Nyabohanse.
Irimanya ni chironga.
Be happy, bro, and enjoy, bro. So this is our main project. Now we will launch soon, but now we are arranging.
Did you have stones?
Yes, I have already stones there, and I have already the barracks here. So it's about reba, money reba. That's why we are looking money reba.
You look like a boss, bro.
No, man, you know here life in the village, no. Welcome, guys. Yes, welcome here.
So today's on Sunday. Maybe guys want to enjoy today.
Yes,
because
guys.
of the football.
Yeah.
Tori hata vega songora manchi bro. Kama nitaka kupa kutoa vantu kukamera. We have another friend here.
Yes, Joseph the Mason. Kindly keep watching our videos for the new subscribers.
Guys, respect.
Yeah.
Huh?
Hey, respect. What? Una shati hata ujui imeandikwa respect.
Sure.
Respect.
So kwa najua bana. So welcome once more back to Hello Baby's YouTube channel. It's another good evening that we are meeting here live at Brother Daggy's compound. For the new subscribers, check it out at Joseph the Mason. Kindly hit the notification bell to support me. And also check it out at Hello Baby. Make sure you support it by subscribing. Humble request.
Yes. Big shout out to you. You know this is one-on-one to Hero Baby, his channel.
Okay.
Yeah. So
yes, guys, I'm giving him free shout out.
Yes,
for free. Today's on Sunday.
Okay. Hello, beautiful people. It's a fine evening. We thank God for the gift of life. Welcome to this amazing YouTube channel at Hello Baby Official. Yeah, kindly if for the first time learning to this channel, guys, kindly consider supporting our guy here, Hello Baby. Yeah, for the new subscribers, thank you very much. I'm also I've got a YouTube channel by the name Dalmas the Roofer. Dalmas the Roofer. Maybe.
Do you know how to put a good roofing?
I'm the best roofer, in fact. I'm the best roofer, in fact. Within. Yeah, I've done many projects here. Once many of the people we are familiar. Maybe it's for the first time coming across to you.
Okay. Yeah. In your work, you have how many experience? Maybe for years?
Okay, I've got an experience of 3 years. Yeah, I'm alternating within East Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, and also Uganda. I've been there.
Okay. Yeah. I'm promising you.
Yeah.
When my time reaches and I want to build my mama dream house, which is next year,
I will
give you. If you mess, I kick you out.
Have you seen the Have you seen the Joseph the Mason house?
I see.
Have you seen the roofing?
Lakini mimi yangu nataka kitamu aje kuinua kidogo.
Have you seen? It's one of the best, bro.
Yes, guys, I'm promising him when I build my mom dream house, he'll fix for me the roofing. Maybe a little bit, I will see.
Okay.
And over here,
yeah,
it's
a very nice day that God have blessed us with the gift of life. Guys, this is the Hero Baby Official YouTube channel. Please, my people, subscribe to him to watch their video. You enjoy, eh?
Team Tampa.
Yeah. Also, my guys, you can keep watching and you can search on my YouTube channel there. Link is Rioba_Mosh. You can watch. There is some amazing video there.
Okay, Mosh means smoke.
Yes.
Yeah, guys.
Baby, I'm going to my mom home.
Nilikuwa napita huja maana nyumbani. So you just go to your mom's home.
It's okay. Let's go visit my mom and then you go.
Okay.
Even my mom asked me where is Hero Baby.
I'll come to
No. Let's go.
Okay. You are new. Dalmas the Roofer. Okay.
I'm new to the game.
Okay. Well, guys, after coming from the deck, I wanna pass right now here. Now we're heading this way. So I want to check my project another way. Guys, come across to my channel and we'll see. Pura, mana una sweater? That's that kid. Why don't you wear the sweater? Too cold. Robi, ekikugendera ni job?
Kumbaya.
Ewa totemere.
Kenga temere na ora mahamba ngona kahini. Tukumanda ero na kahini.
Oh, icho no achoteme? Kati wiki no ndakoma. I will give you $100. Wakagotere dola ya Amerika kweli.
Anta utuna cha Amerika. Inonya cha Kenya. Shikamu.
Maraba. Ndakote cha Kenya. Lakini wiki no tena utenda uskoke.
Weekend era che wanse Jumatatu.
Weekend acha changu atefu 10 utomere nkage.
Oh.
Yes. Guys, I'm telling him this week maybe I will give him $100 for maybe some small issue. Haya. Unapona matani?
Sawa. Mimi nasubiri hela.
Na haba ni chenye wakore tafakembe tutoa hata madongo atewe. Kamari ngani no serious.
Madongo kano katagofa gatache utige kare ngo hakari ko kauka.
Poko
asa no kakaukie ngo.
Icho no achotene.
Icho no go handire bibaya sana. Tukuma hini tukuma ndio mana kumiregara ka genta hanimo. Asa ndache ntemere iki wase keno gensi.
Nati sana po chonso hote mancheni. Lakini wiki no yomba kankole etere.
Basa tatu.
Hai. Omwabu.
Tachonda etere.
I wiki no ndakore etere. Yes guys.
Nini imbe hitaki.
Tachitoma he guys.
Utakachuinda ni hala.
Ndani?
Utakachuinda ni hala.
Nkekemu.
Utakachuinda teikaru utayo na atuki.
Ndai kera ndi megami. Oh guys, he was talking about mura pole. So the owner of the bricks told me he tried to squeeze back and then cover. So I want to see them here. Just over here. He cover and everything. So for the rain and because of the shortage of the maybe potting paper and all stuff, maybe by tomorrow I'll show you how he will make for me some bricks, guys. So I want to end my video here by saying, guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. We shall meet on the next videos, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye.